Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. She took the lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are working on the G. Alright, today we're going to install the BR70S gapped at 25. Reason I have TR6 and it sputters on the freeway. As you can see, wrong plugs for the procharger. Also got to replace a bolt on the very bottom down there, the procharger pulley. So I got to remove the whole procharger unit. Might as well do the plugs while I'm at it, and let's see what goes on from there. All right, so I got to take out these hose clamps. Don't ask me why. I need to order me some better clamps so I can use this, because that shit ain't gonna work. Keeps blowing off once in a while. So, alright, so the charge pipe is off. Now I gotta do this, unloosen this tensioner, take this pulley off, take the belt out. Then I got a bolt here, there's a bolt here, bolt behind this deal. And then I gotta add the bolt that's missing down in there, and then I can do the spark plugs. So. Alright, so now that the procharger pulley is out of the way, the tensioner is down, the procharger pulley goes there, and I got a little thread. Remove these bolts right here. I have the wrong bolt right there, so I gotta change that out. So I got a new one. And then be able to pull out this whole head unit here with the bracket. Alright, what's up guys? Went ahead and washed the engine bay. I already took off the procharger unit, sitting right over here. Shadow, can't see it. So there it is. A little dirty. I'm not running the filter. I have the filter or something. Look at that. That's not good. Alright, so I need to take off. I think that's the bolt I need to remove and put the spacer on here, the new bolt. And change out this bolt for the one that procharger calls for. Alright, so that's the bolt. It's actually this one, not that one right there. Sucker's on pretty good. Alright, I need my two hands. Alright, so now that the procharger unit is out of the way, go ahead and do the spark plugs. Much easier to get that first one right there. All the other ones are easy. Right there, so I'll go ahead and get working on that. I did order some new plugs because I have a mismatching plug. There it goes. So here it is. I'm gonna take this one off. Wrong way. Alright, so it's off. It wasn't even burning at all, so maybe that was the issue. Look at the gap on that thing. Compare to that deal. So yeah, I was misfiring so bad on the freeway. It sounded so good, but as soon as I stepped on it, it sounded like a two-step. Wouldn't go nowhere. So let me change out all these plugs and I'll get back to y'all guys. Alright, spark plugs are done, wires are in, both sides. I just gotta, I'll do this later, I gotta relocate this deal. I take that bolt off, gotta put the unit on, and can test drive it. So, It's looking good. Alright, so I got the bolt off. It was, where'd it go? I just threw it. Oh well. So this is a new one. She has a for that socket. Alright guys, everything's done. Put it back together. Ready to start it up and see how it runs. It's a little dirty. Let's hear a cold start. Truck first, get that thing out of there and go for a test drive, guys. Sounds so good. Alright, friction drive this thing. See how it runs with the spark plugs, the VF7ES, whatever they are. Also got a package in the mail today. Should be catchcan. Heading to work right now at the moment, so I'll go ahead and see you in a few hours. Actually, I'm gonna record the drive, but this I'll start it on the same video here in a few hours. So catch on a bit. Believe it or not, sparkplugs do some magic. Woo, man, hear that blow up? I don't know if you hear it on the camera. Yes. Alright guys, here's the package. So it is an aftermarket, cheap catchcan. So we'll go ahead and check it out and try it out, see how it works. Here's the filter. Dude, it's pretty heavy. It's pretty nice. Actually, it's pretty good. Alright, filter is on. Damn, this actually is pretty neat. So, procharger will definitely need this. Needs to breathe. I don't have any hoses on it right now, so it's like a vacuum leak. But I did need a filter so I don't blow out the rim main seal or anything like that. So, alright, let me install it, see how it goes, guys. Okay, so I got the catch can. I'm gonna run the hose from there to back there. And I'll probably mount it right here somewhere. So, alright, I'll come back to you guys when it's installed. Alright, so I mounted the catch can right behind the procharger, right next to the power steering. It actually looks pretty good. That messed up. I like it. I like the red accent.
What you like, look. Sipping Hennessy, a dirty Sprite. Doing 180 down the turnpike. She on her cell phone, I'm filling up her thighs. What you like, look. What you like, look. What you like, look. What you like, look. What you like, look.